Sharky is a special shark because he not only brushes his teeth, but is also a superhero who protects the ocean. Look, Sharky is a special shark. He brushes his teeth and protects the ocean. Every morning, Sharky uses his giant toothbrush to carefully clean his sharp teeth, keeping them healthy and strong. When the ocean is in danger, Sharky leaps from the deep sea and uses his strength and wisdom to protect other sea creatures. Sharky finds a sea turtle trapped in a fishing net, and he uses his strength to tear the net and rescue his friend. When Sharky sees the coral reef polluted, he quickly springs into action to clean up the trash. He collects all the trash in a giant bag and brings it back to shore for recycling. Look at Sharky bringing the trash to shore for recycling. He's our eco-hero. A group of clownfish sees Sharky cleaning the ocean and happily swims around him. The clownfish happily swim around Sharky, helping to keep the ocean clean. Sharky often trains with his ocean friends to keep his superhero skills sharp. Sharky trains with his friends to stay strong and fast. After his missions, Sharky always brushes his teeth and then rests comfortably in his shell bed. Sharky knows that keeping his teeth clean and healthy is one of his superhero secrets.